we are applying the Maybelline Sky High Volumizing and Lengthening Washable Mascara. So I have this in the very black color here. So here's a quick look at the brush itself. Lots of flexibility to it. It's just kind of a rubber base one, but you can see instantly it just adds a ton of length and volume to my lashes. So I've already pre-curled them with a lash curler, but really just like a thin brush, making it super easy to get into each angle of your lashes. So wow, look at the difference between the right and left side here. That is amazing. This is like very clump-free formula and super easy to wash off. So I'm just kind of building it up here because I like a ton of length and volume. Apply it to your own personal preference, but this is one that you definitely can do multiple coats with without it looking too clumpy or getting flaky. So love that. Definitely lasts all day too. I don't notice it crumbling or anything into my eyes. My eyes are also very sensitive, and you can see zero irritation with the formula itself, and also, yeah, no fallout as stated. It has been allergy tested, so yes, like I said, suitable for sensitive eyes as well as contact lens wearers. Wow. Here's a quick look at with and without, back and forth. Really emphasizes your eyes. I feel like you can wear this mascara just on its own, even without eyeshadow like you've done here, or apply the full eye makeup and you'll get a beautiful look with it. Definitely recommend it.